Bansho Oil, a groundbreaking additive that transforms ordinary oil into extraordinary performance. Multifunctional oil enhancement and reforming additive. What is Bansho Oil? Bansho Oil is created by aging petroleum-based mineral oil with enzymes. When blended with regular engine oil, it continues to mature inside the engine itself. This process makes the oil highly resistant to oxidation, and thanks to its ultrafine particles, about 1/500th the size of normal oil molecules, it penetrates deep into metal surfaces, forming a semi-permanent bond. As a result, metal parts remain constantly lubricated, preventing oil film breakdown. Features, mechanism, and effects of Bansho Oil. Normally, when a liquid is stirred in a circular motion, it simply forms a vortex. However, Bansho Oil behaves differently, it rises upward while rotating. This phenomenon is known as the Weissenberg Effect. When blended into the engine, Bansho Oil circulates throughout every corner of the system. Its enzyme-based cleaning action dissolves burnt deposits and sludge, thoroughly cleaning the inside of the engine. Bansho Oil also possesses a unique property: it expands under pressure. As it circulates through the engine, it slightly expands in microscopic gaps, a phenomenon known as the Barras Effect. Even between the piston rings and the cylinder walls, this expansion prevents combustion energy from escaping through the gaps. The result is more complete fuel combustion, increased engine power, cleaner exhaust, and improved fuel efficiency. Bansho Oil is a high-polymer oil that blends with the low-molecular base oil inside the engine, reducing friction resistance to nearly zero. This phenomenon is known as the Additive effect, which minimizes metal friction to an extreme degree, resulting in longer engine life and reduced friction heat. The surface of metal contains countless microscopic pores that ordinary oil cannot penetrate, eventually causing it to flow away. However, Bansho Oil consists of ultrafine particles about 1/500th the size of regular oil molecules. These particles penetrate deep into the metal's pores and adhere semi-permanently, preventing oil film loss and protecting the engine from rust and wear. This graph compares the alkalinity and lifespan of Bansho Oil and a top-grade commercial engine oil over driving distance. When the alkalinity level drops to 0.5, the oil reaches its limit and must be replaced. As you can see, even the finest commercial oil reaches that limit at around 30,000 kilometers. However, when mixed with Bansho Oil, the alkalinity remains at a stable level of 6, even after 80,000 kilometers, demonstrating its remarkable durability and long-lasting performance. This graph shows the rate of oil viscosity degradation over time. Under high-temperature, high-speed conditions, at 3,150 revolutions per minute and an oil temperature of 143.3 degrees Celsius. Even after 10 hours of continuous operation, Bansho Oil shows virtually no degradation. In contrast, conventional commercial oils steadily lose viscosity as time passes. This demonstrates that Bansho Oil possesses exceptional stability and resistance to high temperatures and high-speed engine conditions. This graph shows how each oil maintains its viscosity at a high temperature of 177 degrees Celsius. While commercial oils continue to lose viscosity day by day, Bansho Oil maintains its viscosity almost unchanged. This means that even at high temperatures, the oil retains its performance as an engine lubricant and continues to protect the engine effectively. Next are the results of a high-temperature load test, conducted by the German company Barras. In this test, the oil was maintained at 177 degrees Celsius, while mechanical shocks and loads were applied to measure durability. As shown in the graph, the components of commercial oils gradually break down over time, whereas Bansho Oil stabilizes after a certain point and remains steady. This demonstrates that even under harsh, high-temperature, high-load conditions, Bansho Oil's structure does not collapse. It continues to protect the engine with exceptional stability. Bansho Oil, summary of features, mechanism, and effects. Bansho Oil maintains long-term neutral stability, keeping its alkalinity level steady and extending the oil's lifespan. Even at high engine speeds and temperatures, its performance remains stable and reliable. Even when subjected to shock or heavy load, the oil maintains its performance without degradation. Its cleaning action dissolves deposits inside the engine, preventing failures and extending engine life. The expansion sealing effect enables complete fuel combustion, resulting in greater engine power and improved fuel efficiency. It also reduces exhaust gases such as CO2, helping to create a cleaner environment. By dramatically reducing the friction coefficient, it lowers engine noise and vibration. Even in cold winter conditions, the engine starts smoothly and without stress. And thanks to its long oil life, it helps greatly reduce the amount of waste oil that needs to be disposed of. Bansho oil is stability, protection, and performance that go beyond conventional oils. Bansho oil, usage and application examples. Bansho oil is used for a wide range of applications, including engine oil for automobiles powered by gasoline, diesel, or gas. It is also applied as a lubricating oil for rotating components and as a protective oil to prevent metal corrosion. Bansho oil has been introduced in various fields. It is used as engine oil for diesel vehicles operated by a major railway company in Hokkaido, and also adopted for use in the engines of police vehicles. Bansho oil achieves 160,000 kilometers without an oil change. It improves fuel efficiency, reduces exhaust emissions, and with a product shelf life of up to 15 years. It delivers trusted quality that protects your vehicle. By using Bansho oil, downtime caused by oil changes can be eliminated, and waste oil disposal can be drastically reduced. Improved fuel efficiency extends overall vehicle operating time and productivity. Engine and machinery durability are significantly enhanced, while engine noise is reduced for smoother operation. It also increases the heat resistance of metal components and provides excellent anti-rust protection. With these combined effects, Bansho oil delivers long-term performance, efficiency, and reliability that users can truly depend on. We have introduced Bansho oil, a one-of-a-kind, multifunctional oil enhancement and reforming additive that redefines everything you thought you knew about lubricants. A true innovation, unmatched anywhere in the world.